How to fix video call problem on Messenger on Android? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps to fix the problem. First, make sure your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then, open the Play Store, search for Messenger, and update the app if an update is available. Next, open Settings, tap Apps, and select Messenger. Now tap Permissions. Make sure camera and microphone are both set to Allow. You should also allow any other permissions that Messenger requests for calling features. After that, go back to the app info page, tap Mobile Data, and make sure Allow Background Data Usage and Allow App While Data Saver On are turned on. If the issue still isn't fixed, tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem. Finally, restart your Android and open Messenger again. Your video calls should now be working normally. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.